All right, you guys, now we're gonna go after doing your oil change. Check it out, super important. Do not forget to do your oil change. It is so vital to your engine's life. Now, make sure you do it every 3,000 miles. With all these synthetic oils now, you could probably do it every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. And even with that, I would just do it every 5,000. You can't go wrong. And even if you're doing the oil yourself, you're probably gonna save some money, which will make it worth it to do it a little bit earlier. But it'll help the life of your engine. And then maybe every other oil change you could do, there's different kind of cleaners that you can use to put into your oil that you add to it, which helps to keep your engine clean and break down all the grime and stuff, so it'll get to the bottom of that pan, and then you could drain it on your next oil change. But make sure you change your oil. Check your oil regularly. Before you go on a long trip, check your oil. When you get and park from taking your long trip, check your oil. Make sure when you get to your party spot that you ain't gonna run out of oil while you get there. If you're on the road and your check engine light turns on or your oil light turns on, make sure you pull over, check it out. If least, just go add some oil to it and make sure you don't overrun it. All right, so those are just a quick couple tips on make sure your engine stays running. Make sure you put the right weight of oil into your machine, in your car or truck. It's very important that you do this stuff. This will get the money out of the vehicle you want. But if you run out of gas, you can do that, not a problem, but you cannot run out of oil. Do not run out of oil. All right, that's it for now. Until the next video, which we'll be giving you a tip on something else, I'm sure. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow us, leave some comments at the bottom. If you got any questions, let us know. Otherwise, make sure you're getting them notifications. That way you can see the next video we got up. You guys, make sure you change your oil, check it regularly. That way you can keep your car for a long time. And that's just money in the bank. No one wants to make a car payment. All right, guys, we out of here. Late.